Hello and welcome to this demo of Lydul. Today we will go through some of the main features of the platform, and if you want to follow along, just go to lydul.com and click on Get Started. So when you open the app, the first step is to authenticate. I would click on Quick Start, then enter my name, Mark B, and that's it. In just 2 clicks, I'm ready to go. For the purpose of this demo, I will go with what the app suggests. So here you have an arrow that points to the orange plus button to create a to-do list. I'll click it to create my first to-do list with a title and a scope of work. From there, it is now time to add some photos and notes. So I will click the Add to Do button, which displays the camera and the white photo capture button. So by pressing the white button, I'm able to capture my first item with the corresponding photo. I can add more photos to this item or create new items with more photos. I can also use different sections for different categories of things I am noticing in this attic here. So let me go ahead and take a few more photos. And at some point, you will want to start adding notes and details to the items created. So just click on the item you want. As you can see, you can scroll through the images captured for this item. You can also add arrows on the images. Or draw on top of images to highlight anything. You can also add comments or log some costs. Or log some time for each of the tickets. So every user in Lydul has their own hourly rate. So here I can set mine as $100 and it will automatically calculate the results. All the information I log will be added together and summarized on each item of my to-do list, as you can see here. So from there, you can export the report as a PDF. We will see in another video how to customize PDFs to better reflect your brand. You will have the ability to pick the right image size, layout, and the information displayed. But Lydul's superpower is to enable collaboration with anyone really quickly. Let's open the meatball menu and assign this to-do list to someone. This could be a contractor or a technician, for example. If you already have collaborators in the app, you could pick them directly from there. But because I just logged in, let me pull up the unique QR code for this to-do list. You could send the link as an SMS or email. So if someone else is next to you, they can open the camera app from their phone, scan the QR code, and they will be taken directly to lydul.com. So as you can see, the QR code was recognized and now asks if I want to work with Mark B on the to-do list I just created. So I'll just enter my name, and in only one click, I'm able to access that to-do list as well. From there, I'll be able to start making some updates to the to-do list. For example, I can mark an item as stuck or mark an item as done. And I can add my own photos, comments, or time log to each item. Let's now look at the other tabs in Lydul. So if you click on the My Team tab, then you can see that you started working with Tom Smith here. And by opening up this thread, you can see which to-do list you assigned to Tom. Or you can click on the plus button to create new ones between you and Tom. If you want to start working with other collaborators right away, even if you don't have a specific to-do list in mind yet, you can do so by clicking the plus button at the bottom and follow the same path. You can also invite multiple people to work together. Now, click on the notification tab. Here you will see a summary of everything that happened on the to-do list you have access to throughout your day. Go now to the Settings tab. Here you can customize the app for your need. So let's go over a few of the options. You can customize the PDF here. You can change your hourly rate. You can enable this feature to save all photos captured in Lydul into your photo library as well. And now projects is a powerful feature. Let's enable projects as well as folders. So this will allow you to organize your lists and photos into projects and subfolders. Let's go back to the My Project tab. And so by clicking the plus button, you can now choose to create a project. Inside this project, I can create new to-do lists or create new folders. That's it for this demo. Please reach out to us at support@lydul.com if you have any further questions.